Ni demon ko kesngi wo sa kan mo hajala me klia hai wa yo wai yak wan kong do ka thau ti mooyong ko man katkam ko juk wa katni namo ko first scientific mining coal block hame klia wa tip kam ko sarang kam coal mine wa emma Byndihati East Jaintia Hills district wa ye ni do wai da menteri rang ba ka jala u kontrak ke sang ma leng ba ka video conference Hakaya lang wa penman ha Byndihati dewa lang menteri sarkar u kerman sela MLA ke Sutengah Saipung ke Santa Mary Sela u executive member ke JHADC u Hambertus Nong Tedu u deputy commissioner ke East Jaintia Hills district u Shivansh Awasthi u superintendent of police u Giri Prasad wa kiwide ki baca khus nyau ha dailang ki brukwet ba kani kathany u konrat ha klam do ong wa tre ke mining lease kani kathau to udap mine sela u wan Byndihati hi wa de ikhubleu yawro ki waria kre lang wa penman kam ni Hadin jandap kat wisnem katu wada cak kang ti mooyong. Dong le hai poroman ukang menteri rangba haus nem arajar kat pra. Iban kong do ole wa pok sarkar MDA to wai biang ti mooyong we ini de cimpor ga do nru nyaus nem. Hado o ye umon kam ne ba ye ini umbujo emle ne chwa. De penting ule wa do penting na ba ki wile u yo bor ki was dang no ti mooyong ne ba iwa to du hai por sedang we hadin wa yo arle ngut do tip sap kemon ule yo pun smart ini ikam. Kam tada pun seluruh lek yagi wiwo yelek nama wo apply uti mooyong. Nei liang ke MLA ke Sutengah Saipung de ku blai ke yo menteri rang ba wa pok yak khmatu de ye wo pun man kam sekhet ye ni scientific mining wa de yulu tiga wa ini da pun po ke cekatong yo pun man ye ke meklia kam ke $10 billion economy kat house nem arjar aropra. Ki wide wa klam ha kan ge sngi to ha bertas nong tedu udisi wa MLA worim ke kleriat u Justin Dekhar.
So there, thank you, ma'am, for sharing this valuable information, so that.
Hakwa exprime ko dahong go, kataw le kayong i, umar le uyong i. Tangwa ukre yung ni umar, mulai katkam kajuk jing start, kawayato, wakajuk, wakapor kayong i. Kenangwa, ukre i, upan bahai bat klem da penjot ya kamariang wahong gi krek di ani katu mestem gawi yo man no gom to de wo krek di ani krek kat kam ga ai since the time we extract coal we have developed in our livelihood, we have raised our standard of living, we can provide our children a good education, and we can get a better treatment. And now we are having a good house. We can run other business and so on and so forth. All these are due of course.
But I know that you really want to be here, as I had spoken to you earlier. Thank you so much, sir, for the initiative and the work that you have done for the state of Meghalaya and our people. State of Meghalaya, we are so happy and has created a history in Meghalaya, as to say, especially our people in East Jaintia Hills, we are so much dependent on the coal and the livelihood of our people. So I like to say that because of this government, we are able to see the vision of Meghalaya and to bring Meghalaya in 2028 as a 10 billion state economy. Ken bat so tali ki mining list wada yo airport Meghalaya lately like chikmat ar punya totally waman go wadang apply kate betit. Dado ar hajar katso kamo batay kini wahe kamo batay untuk ex MLA yung Justin. Wa da chitam bagi pat ba yung i hagabro galiang. Yo bat PE chapo cha Jaintia Hills, West Khasi Hills i depend ba i hagani gamuyong. Depend i haworo galiang nam to duang man o kini muyong he yo yu kre na. Indirectly, directly the effect bat ko haworo galiang. Kiu dai kwai, kiu dai dukan, kiwa hilebes Poro kiliang wada kata hago haga niga wakang muyong adu arajar katso. The unity ini wachim kya kaniga sarkar yung i. Wada lailuti bagi the do arajar arpuwi daman go gawi ka jing emin sen ye gi pat bayong I wa da kerchan gi I wa him gi ga kate ka courage dani kate ka jingkwa yong ki yo le namta ga ni ga mining yo imbyang gitu gi por menchua embat kate ka por wa ong gi wa dang menchua miu man tang wa daman go kate batit da ka kot kasla ulai bat ko ha kate rukom.
Today, almost after a decade of the coal mining being banned in the state of Meghalaya, we have finally inaugurated the first scientific coal mine in the state. And this is truly a historic day and a red letter day for the people of the state. As we all know, for a decade, the different individuals and families who had been dependent directly or indirectly on coal mining had suffered in the last 10 years because of the ban on coal mining. But today, with the efforts that have been made by the state government and the support that we got from the central government, we have been able to lift that ban and also start the first scientific coal mine in the state. So I wish the coal miners the very best. I encourage other miners also to please apply for the official mining license, and all the support will be given from the state government. And at the same time, we are working very hard to see how our traditional miners and small time miners could also be supported. We understand that there are limitations, but our efforts are on to engage with Government of India to see and find ways in which even the small miners will soon be able to start their mining. But in the meantime, we will move ahead with this particular scientific mining that we started. And once again, as I said, it's a historic day and a day that is going to be remembered, that the first scientific coal mine was inaugurated today in the state. Thank you very much.